Hi, welcome to Flower Factor. I have another really exciting day ahead of me, and I want to present to you a beautiful design which I'm going to call a signature design of my choosing in a style that I really love to use. So first up, a little bit of preparation, not too much. We're going to just make a few of these. It's a skewer with some twine wound onto it, and we're going to use the drill for this. I'm going to need my glasses. So I'll just start with a little bit of twine wound onto the skewer. I'm going to place this into the drill. So what I've got here is a sheet of Foamex board. So we're going to be making a few of these shapes. Take some rattan cane and literally just mounting those onto the cane. And then really I'm just going to start covering this base with a mixture of these beautiful carnations, some hypericum berries, and these hedera berries as well, so you get a little mixture textures really low down. Next step then is to add in some of these accessories, placing in the skewers that we've covered in the twine just throughout the whole base. Now I'm going to bring in some of this acrylic. Now we're going to be adding this in through these uprights into the foam. I'm going to use this beautiful little dianthus, really interesting flower heads on here, and it's going to add a little accent of that white to link through to the container at the bottom. And a Satan grass, one of my favourites. And we just want these to pop up through the whole composition, so you get that little shard of white. The last thing we'll add a few loops of flexigrass, or you could use steel grass. This is my style. I love this kind of look. It's very natural, it's visually light and very interesting down below. I always have a really good time at the Flower Factor. Today is no exception. I've really enjoyed making this for you today, and I look forward to seeing you here again very, very soon.